Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and I have got some white satin enamel. I actually have some glasses. There we go. Those go on the face very nicely. And the first time I used the white satin enamel, I started with some gold in the bottom, so I'm thinking I would just want to take that chance and maybe it'll be lucky for me. And I don't have a lot left. I went through it really fast. And I'm not sure what I want to use for colors, but they're all sitting next to me, so that's what it's going to be right now. That is an additives metallic. I kind of want to put some colors that are similar to each other, near each other, maybe on top of each other. I've got some darker purple and I really want to use it. And I don't intend on using an awful lot of colors. And I wouldn't mind keeping a little bit of my white satin enamel back, Deco Art Americana. I just mixed that up, and whatever that is in the tip wants to come out. Oh, it wasn't there when I mixed the paint. So, quick like a bunny, I'm going to try and get that thing out of there. Yep, alright, because this is my dominant color choice. Not that I'll get it, but I wouldn't mind trying. Matter of fact, I could make sure I'm going to get it. By putting it on the other side, I think. And I want some magenta to finish with, I think. I never use the magenta, or very, very rarely. Still not coming out. Okay, let's settle for red. Red might be better anyway. And I know it's shaken up. So I'm going to give a quick base coat of paint to my canvas, I hope. And grab one of my freshly cleaned OXO omelet turning spatulas, available on the Amazon link below. Show more underneath the video. If you shop there, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out. And revenues are changing vastly at YouTube, so your help is very much appreciated. I don't know that I'm ever going to do memberships, because I don't know that I ever see enough people watching at any one point in time to want to take your money. Plus, I'm already overextended and I don't think I have a whole lot of time left. I got like over 300 pictures left to edit from 2019, so I do see that that thing that does not belong come out. I usually have tweezers handy in their hair. Oh, I found them! Cool. Well, I might use them. I wish I'd had those a little while ago when I found the bug in my painting. And I wound up changing my sky because I tried to remove the bug and had to change the whole the whole sky. Neither here nor there. Alright, hopefully I've got an edge catcher handy, and I am going to do something I did the last time, which was to make myself a puddle of paint. Even though I don't want to waste it, I don't think it's a waste. Wish I'd used a little more orange. Nothing's going to keep me from doing that now. I'm liking how much of the gold I'm seeing. I'm amazed. I did put it in first, so it should come out last. I guess that's a true rule. I do have paint in there, but I kind of want to keep it for my edges, and I need an edge catcher on standby, maybe even on my turntable. It's not as wide as I would have it. Well, it looks like I have quite a bit of paint. I love how the white satin enamel makes things flow so well in like a nice, even, cohesive wave of paint. Seems like it might be a little heavier. Let's do that. Squeeze that back on. I'm going to do the same thing right there. Cover my edge, squeeze that back on. Watch where everything is running and try and keep up with where other things want to go. I like the layers. I think I'm going to do this over here. Squeeze that back on and scrape. This is going to look a lot like, I called one of my paintings that aired today Picture Jasper, and this is reminding me of that a lot. Not the picture, but the actual Picture Jasper. I don't have a specific formula to go to each corner. I like to bring the paint over to the side and see where squeezing the paint against the side of the canvas brings it. I kind of want some orange down there, but I also don't mind that black either. I kind of wanted that edge covered, but I guess I'll have this edge covered. And then I can go back over there again, which is okay with me. Not so sure about that white right there. I don't think I'm a huge fan, so maybe I'll just let that go. Now I really could, I was going to say take the paint off the edge catcher, but I like what it's doing, so it's of no consequence that I was going to say that, because it's not staying. I am going to grab my spatula. What did I do with it? I didn't throw it in the bucket. Well, fortunately I cleaned them all when I cleaned just one. And I like that there, but I want it to go somewhere else. And I really want some more purple. I also like what's in my cup. So maybe that's the ticket. Look how gorgeous that is. That's just so totally beautiful for me. And I'm going to take a little bit more of that white satin enamel. And a little more black as well. And I may scrape that out in a while. I like adding the other dimension. That ropey piece in the center is cool. I don't really want to lose all my purple. What I can usually do lately is tilt and add some shapes. And I do want to cover this corner over here. I did like that black down there. Goodbye, black. I also want to take a chance and see what happens when I blow into a composition to see what happens. Because I know that satin enamel makes beautiful cells. I want to be careful because I got beautiful stripes down here. Ever so gently. If you're very cautious, you can actually do exactly what you plan. Let's see if I can prove that. That's kind of cool. I'm not done playing. That's pretty sharp. I'm liking that a lot. I'm not sure I'm done yet. And I did set a timer. And I have time left, which is pretty cool. I'm happy about that. Still like that black corner. Thinking I might want a little white. I'm also thinking that I really ought to torch pretty quick, or I'll lose my opportunity. To make cells. I like making little shapes though, that's so fun. I want the actual black. There we go. Every time I experiment, I learn new things. And make new marks, make new texture. Wicked. My 20 years in Maine is showing. Wicked cool. Yep, I'm liking a lot of that. It's not that it wasn't good before, it's just that I like it so much more right now, I can't tell you. That little splooge there wasn't supposed to be there. I think they would have showed it more if I'd used the straw. But they're not bothering me either. I'm going to put some black paint down in this corner so I can be sure that that's what I want to do there, which is leave one corner blank, or black rather than blank. Right, so no matter what comes next, if anything, I'm going to give a torch a go. Am I? Nah. I love this purple. I think you can tell that. No doubt. I can make it the dominant. Can it be dominant and an accent color? I have some more paint, and I also have some on my edge catcher. I want my bottles out of the way, and I want to grab that paint and see what I might want to do with it. Because everything that I do that's new adds a new and interesting part. Just something to change things up a little bit. See, I didn't leave that corner after all. Because I've got some really pretty paint on my edge catcher and I hate to waste it. I really love using the straw. I guess I'm going to waste a tiny little bit of paint. Clean up in a bit. Is there anything else I want there? I kind of want to squeeze a whole bunch of black on. I had time and I used it. There, that didn't hurt my feelings a bit. And I'm not done yet, and I've got a minute left, so I'm going to go ahead and give myself a little more. It's hard telling what's going to be left after the heavy paint. Oh, that reminds me. You can leave your paint heavy if you use GAC 800, and my recipe is under the video. Yeah, I like that orange a lot. So much so, I might just have a little more to move the eye around. That might have been not. That might not have been good. But fortunately, it looks as though I can rescue almost anything by blowing into it with this straw, which is kind of neat, really. Oh, I found an uncovered edge on my canvas. That's perfect. That's what I needed right there. So I love you guys. I got 2 minutes to tell you to shop my Amazon link at no added cost to you, and it helps me out, and I appreciate it very much. Thank you for all the wonderful comments over time. I love you guys. And thanks for the contributions that have kept me painting through 2019 and into 2020. And if you want to be a contributor again, you can be entered to win one of the 7 paintings that will be donated in January, along with a book, which is another choice. One of my books, Because I Can. It's also available on the Amazon link below, Show More. We have a new book out, and ebooks to go with the soft covers. And the new book is called Unlimited Possibilities. And what else? And I hate it when I yes, I am sticking my skewer in places and having a good time, and it's definitely time to torch. I think this is lovely. I'm pretty sure I'm done. She says that, not being sure at all. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Inviting you to check out my my playlist. There's 11 genres and 9 lists, soon to be 10 lists of by the hundreds. And you can find PayPal and Patreon on my channel header. You can find a community board that will tell you what tomorrow's video will be. You can go to Facebook, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, where I do absolutely share my next day's videos the night before. Yes, I did that, and I'm not sorry. Sometimes spontaneous art means being spontaneous. And I am so happy with all of this right now. Like, really, really happy with it. And she adds another little bit of paint. Yes, she does. Okay, well, that's my ammo. Can't trust me. Love you guys. Give me a thumbs up, please. I really need it, and the longer you watch a video, the more you help me out. Your comments help me out. Your shares help me out. I sell my artwork, and I teach classes at my home at the studio in Spring Hill, Florida. My email address is directly below the video. If you're not getting notifications or your subscription's been turned off, you're not alone. I am so enamored of this, I gotta say. As she changes yet one more thing. Still, I love it. I love all the little embellishments. I love what the satin enamel does by Deco Art Americana. I recommend it. You can find it on my Amazon link.